Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving the ISI MSQMS objective paper solution. So if you need to take classes from our side or need to take doubt clearing session, previous year question, mock test and study material, don't waste time. Please call immediately or WhatsApp immediately on this number. Okay, so let's start today's session with question number 18. Consider the real function f of xy equals to x to the power 4 minus 8x square plus y square plus 16. Then which one of the following is correct? So here four options are. Option A will be said that plus minus 2 comma 0 are local minimum of f, plus minus 2 comma 0 are local maximum of f, plus 0 comma 0 is local minimum of f, plus minus 2 comma 0 and 0 are local minimum of f. So which option here is the correct answer? Let's see how to solve this kind of problem. So let's start with question number 18. So we need to analyze these critical points and their nature using partial derivatives and the second derivative test. To find the critical points, let uh, compute the partial derivative of f with respect to x and y. That means if x equals to del f by del x, that is equals to 4x cube minus 16x. Okay, and what will be the f of y? F of y means del f by del y, that means equals to 2y. Okay, so set the partial derivatives to 0, find the critical points. So partial derivatives to 0, 16x equals to 0. So what are the critical points? 2y equals to 0. So solving, here we can set if x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, so this equation can be formed. Solving for x cube minus 16x equals to 0, that means taking common 4x, x square minus 16 equals to x square minus 4, x square minus 4, that is equals to 0. So 4x into x minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. So thus x equals to 0 comma x equals to 2 or x equals to minus 2 from here. X equals to 0 means 4x equals to 0 means 0, x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. From 2y equals to 0, then we get y equals to 0 on this equation. So the critical points are, what are the critical points? Critical points are 0 0, 2 0 and minus 2 0. Okay, using step 2, using the second derivative list, what will be the second derivative? After we apply second derivative test, that means f of xx del 2 by a into f del 2f by del x2 equals to 12 x square minus 16. And what will be the value after applying the second derivative of y? F double y del 2f by del y2. That means the value is 2. And what will be the value? F of xy equals to f of yx. That means del 2f by del x into del y. So that is equals to 0. So determinant, the Hessian determinant d is given by the Hessian determinant d is given by d into f of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square. So evaluate d at the critical points. At 0 0, f of xx, that means equals to 12 into 0 square minus 16. What will be the value? Is minus 16. And what will be the value of fyy? The value of f of yy is 2. And what will be the value? D equals to minus 16 into 2 minus 0 square. So what will be the value here? Minus 32. Okay, since d less than of 0 comma 0 is a saddle point. Okay, so at 2 equals to 0, sorry, at second point at at 2 comma 0, f of xx, function xx equals to 12 into 2 square minus 16. That means the value will be 48 minus 16 equals to 32. And what will be the value of f of yy? Of yy means 2, and d of 32 d equals to 32 into 2 minus 0 square, so the value is 64. Since d greater than 0, since and f of xx greater than 0, so that means 20 is local minimum. Okay, so what is the conclusion? So the conclusion here, the points 2 0 and minus 2 0, the local minima, and 0 0 is a saddle point. This is the local minima, and here 0 0 is the saddle point. So the correct answer is, कौन सा वाला हो जाएगा? Here option A is the plus minus 2 comma 0 are the local minimum of wave. That is option A is the correct answer here. Okay, so if you like this video, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. So that's all for today. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.